Hey everybody, this is Jewelyn. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to my home here in Santa Monica, California. Welcome to another Thursday check-in. I cannot believe it is September. Where is the time going? I hope that 1 month from now, I'm able to go home to Hawaii to visit my grandma, celebrate our belated birthdays together, check in on her, get my Hawaii fixes, see my family and friends. So stay tuned. I will be filming for both of the channels. I'm just waiting for Hawaii to permanently do their pre-travel flight restrictions. So hopefully I'll be able to go home next month, and it'll be really fun to film for both of the channels. And I know a bunch of you guys miss my grandma on the channel as well, so stay tuned for that. I'm so happy to be home for a week between my Las Vegas work weeks, but by the time this video goes live, I will be back in Las Vegas for the work week. So unfortunately, next week Thursday's check-in will probably be coming from my Las Vegas bedroom. It's over 100 degrees, so it's hard for me to film outside. Nothing's happening with plant life there, especially this time of year. So I wanted to come out here in the patio before I move the plants around. If you watch the vlog channel, you know my routine with my plant life and the collection here before I leave to Las Vegas and coming back. So I have a bunch of plants to move. I filmed quite a lot of videos this past week for the main channel, so be on the lookout for that, as well as daily vlogging. So if you haven't checked out the vlog channel, check it out. I do videos every day between both channels, and you get to see life for me between both states, what it's like to be a plant owner of hundreds and hundreds of plants, and you get to see the behind the scenes of me setting up for when I'm filming for this channel. So it's a good time, and you get to see my everyday life. So I wanted to actually hop on here and first and foremost give this video a thumbs up for the hair. I love it. I'm gonna be rocking this hair this week for work, and I am loving the look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And I wanted to share with you first and foremost, I know last week's video I was really nervous being away from the collection for 9 days, so I want to talk about that first. I've never left the collection for that long unattended, I don't think, and if anything it's been a hot minute, and not at this capacity where I have over 600 plants. There was one plant in my studio on my shelf, which you will see very soon on my summer plant tour. I have a new shelfie area by my love seat, and for whatever reason, a Sansevieria that I had on that shelf, one of them did not do good, and it pretty much just kind of fell to pieces. So I don't know what it was. I rarely water my Sansevierias, but it just was not happy, and this is what's left of it. Do you guys believe it? And honestly, like, I don't think it's gonna make it. I'm going to probably, yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna put this back into soil, but literally this whole Sansevieria was nice and full, and it just fell to pieces and got really mushy. I don't know why, because I don't think I even overwatered it or even watered it before I left. Maybe I did, just a little, but not, I don't think I watered this Sansevieria too much, but for whatever reason it was not happy, and this is what's left of it. So this is gonna go back into soil. I did have a few browning leaves in my neon heartleaf philodendron, and other than that, I think the rest of the collection was just perfectly fine. A lot of the plants in my bathroom gave me new leaves. I posted up a bunch of pictures, exclusive photos that I will only share on my Patreon. So if you guys are interested in seeing different things that I don't share on Instagram or on both of the channels, consider being a Patreon. I post pictures every day. If you guys are not familiar with Patreon, it's just another platform where you can support your favorite content creator or artist that you love, and with your Patreon membership, whether it's $5, $10, $20, or $30 a month, it breaks down to 17 cents a day or $1 a day at the max to support my daily uploads, and you get benefits along the way. So if you guys are interested, see me on Patreon, and you get to see a bunch of cool things, and it's just been nice to interact with a bunch of you guys on just a different, more personal level. My heartleaf neon philodendron, a few browning leaves, unfortunately. Other than that, this Sansevieria, I don't know what to do with you. I'm so disappointed because everybody else in the collection was perfectly fine. The humidity in my bathroom, it averages around 75 to 80. So I know when my place is enclosed, the humidity in my studio is perfect for plant babies, so I didn't have any problems at all. Even the plants in the collection, in the patio and things like that, perfectly fine. So I'm happy to report that, but not so happy to report this. On a different note, I do want to share with you a progress update on 2 Sansevieria cuttings growing in the greenhouse. Here is updates on my Sansevieria cuttings. 2 of them, while I was away, gave me roots, and look at that. Do you guys see that? Do you see this? Do you see this? I'm so proud. I'm so proud of my Sansevieria cuttings. Even look, take a look at that right there. So there's more cuttings. They're slowly rooting up, but these were so cool to come home to. You will see very shortly on the main channel. I just edited the video last night of a Sansevieria planting with Jewelyn, where I do little things like this and I will stick it back in the planter where it came from to join its original family members, because little things like this do matter to me. And actually these Sansevieria cuttings were just like parts of the plant that didn't look really amazing. It was probably beat up just the way how I purchased it. Took it out, propagated it, and I'm just starting all over and making more. So please don't throw away your plant babies if they start looking good. Try to see if you can propagate it, make more babies. You can fill up your planter or gift, trade, or sell them off. So just a very fun update. At least something is happening with the Sansevieria collection that's making me happy. But other than that, they're all doing great, and I definitely don't mind selling off from the collection. So if you see any plant babies you're interested, like in the background of my videos or any of my planting videos, tour videos, reach out to me, Planting with Jewelyn on Instagram. I actually just sent off a plant order of a bunch of different things today to one of my subscribers, and also a resin keychain. So yes, I'm still doing a lot of fun art pieces with my Hoyas. And actually stay tuned, because at the end of the video I'm going to share with you a very fun update on one of my Hoyas, which I'm super excited about. But I just wanted to share with you at least some positivity in the Sansevieria collection. They're doing really good. I love the greenhouse, and I definitely don't take it for granted that I have a greenhouse and I can do things like this. So one of my favorite things that I like to do on Thursday's check-in, which I haven't done for a while because I haven't been home, is to share plant babies for adoption. So I have a couple of plant babies that are growing in my greenhouse that I wanted to highlight in today's video. If you're interested in any of them, direct message me, Planting with Jewelyn on Instagram. For those of you who don't have Instagram, you can always email me. All of my information is in my description box in every video. Yesterday I actually staked up 9 plant babies, which is, I can't even believe it, and then another 2 prior to that. Some is featured on the vlog channel, and yesterday's video that I filmed will be eventually on the main channel. So I wanted to share with you 2 plant babies up for adoption. This is my philodendron Panda bipennifolium, the horsehead. These plant babies are rooted from my mother plant. So 2 different sizes. I definitely don't mind taking cuttings from them. So if you want to get a plant baby for a little bit less expensive than a rooted baby, then cuttings is going to be your best bet. I can charge a little bit less compared to a rooted baby. So I propagated this baby a while ago, and it's been growing in water. I recently planted it up in a Planting with Jewelyn, so I wanted to feature in today's video. So as I was restaking my plant, I like to check out if there's any plant babies I can take from. So this just popped up from the bottom of the mother plant. So these 2 are up for sale. Love it a lot. But if you want something a little bit less expensive, then ask me for a cutting and I can give it to you for fairly cheaper price compared to a rooted baby. So a lot of options. If you are interested, reach out to me. 2 variegated plant babies that I'm happy to give up for adoption. I have a rooted Hoya Carnosa Crimson Princess. This is from one of my mother plants. I propagated this in leca and put it into soil. So I have tons of Hoyas to choose from if you guys are interested. It's so interesting to see the popularity of the plants. At one point, a lot of you guys were ordering Hoyas for me, and then now I see a trend of a lot of you guys asking me for Tridescantias. I love them both equally. Definitely don't mind taking from the collection. Here's another fun one. This is my Philodendron Rio. And I can take cuttings from my mother plant, but this one is rooted. So just wanted to highlight two variegated babies. I always mention this in my videos. I definitely don't mind taking from my mother plants, so please reach out to me. As long as it doesn't ruin the look, I don't mind taking cuttings or trying to see if I can get a rooted section. So just wanted to highlight two variegated babies up for adoption living in the greenhouse. It's been a minute since I featured a cacti baby, a weird and interesting one. So this is my last totem pole baby for sale. He's super cool and interesting. I have two living in the front of my home. If you watch my plant tours, I think one or two of my subscribers have totem pole babies, and then I gifted a bunch of my plant friends totem pole babies, but this is my last one growing in the greenhouse. Very slow growing. He's on the rare side and he's just weird and interesting. So if any of you guys are interested in adopting my last totem pole cacti, reach out to me. So for now, he is up for adoption, but if he doesn't get adopted in a year or two, then I might just end up putting him into the planter with the other two until he is traded, gifted, or sold. So one cacti baby that I wanted to feature in today's video. And you guys know how much I love Ripsalises. The jungle cacti are like my favorite. I love epiphyllums. Super cool plants. I have two to share with you. So I have a smaller size here, and then I have a larger size here. They're living in coco coir, and you will see very soon me transplant the mother plant into a whole different setup, and it's been living life super happy. I actually sent off a rooted section of this mother plant to one of my subscribers today with a bunch of other cool plants. But these are all of the plant babies that I just wanted to feature in today's video for plant adoptions. I love sharing and highlighting my plant babies living in the greenhouse so they get some airtime and I can show them a little love. And you can see what I'm currently growing in the greenhouse. Maybe at the end of this month, I'm gonna go in the greenhouse. You guys watch me do the Clean With Me series. I will take every single plant out of the greenhouse, gut it out, and I'll look through every single plant if I need to maybe fix it up. Do I need to just throw it out because it just had its time, or can I make more? So I'm always constantly checking what's going on in the greenhouse, but I always like to make more room for more babies to live in there. So reach out to me. I have a lot of things happening in the greenhouse, a lot of Tridescantias, which I will feature in my next check-in video when I'm checking in from Santa Monica, I guess 2 weeks from now. I wanted to highlight some of my resin art pieces up for sale. This is very fun for me to share with you guys. I know in last week's check-in, I shared with you the molds that I got, and I just been having fun with it this week, creating different things. So these particular pieces could be either a keychain, it could be a bookmark, or if you celebrate Christmas, it could be Christmas ornaments. So I thought I'd share with you the progress and the different colors that I've created this week. But if you guys are interested in a custom color, if you want to have these as Christmas ornaments, bookmarks, or keychains, reach out to me and I can make a handful. I created a few different colors. I'm having fun with it, and stay tuned for next week Thursday's check-in. I will share with you a really big piece I created that I can make in any color or combination of colors. So the first color that I played with was this really nice pearl white. I love it a lot. Just imagine this as ornaments, like, oh my goodness, it would be so cute. If you want this as a bookmark, I can change the tassel color to any color. So I did a few in that creamy pearl white. So adorable. Like, I love it a lot. If I was doing Christmas in my home, I would have my whole tree with these ornaments on in this pearl white. It would look so cute, but I haven't had a Christmas tree since I lived in Hawaii in my space, because I'm always either in Las Vegas or in Hawaii or somewhere abroad. and I don't believe in cutting trees as a plant person. I'd rather have a fake tree if anything. But imagine that on a Christmas tree. Oh my goodness, so cute. And then here's another combination of colors I played with. So I wanted to do like an elbow look to it, like a jeweled hunter green. It is so cute. I love it a lot. It's really fun for me to play with different colors and experiment with the mold. And then I recently got this new pigment in. It is so stunning, and it's like almost like an olive green. Oh my goodness, take a look at it up close. It's so pretty. And then here's the back of it. Every time I'm home, I'm always pouring resin late at night is usually when I do it. I share it on the vlog channel, and these are my newest molds that came in. But stay tuned, next week Thursday I have a bigger piece that I've been playing with and having fun with, and I can't wait to share that with you guys. So if you guys are interested in these monstera leaves, I'm gonna be making more. Reach out to me, Planting with Jewelyn on Instagram, and that is my resin art feature for this Thursday's check-in. It's so fun now. So now I can share plant babies up for adoption. I can share with you what's currently happening in the collection if I'm home, and it's also fun now that I can share with you my current resin art projects and just kind of finding my style. Sound off in the comments down below, what do you guys think about my monstera leaves? They're so cute. I'm having so much fun sharing the journey of my resin art with you guys on both of the channels, and being able to share my art pieces up for sale every week is also fun for me. I've come a long way over the past couple of months teaching myself something new, and that's definitely something I do every year for myself. I don't have resolutions. I just tell myself I have to learn something new every year. So definitely resin art is my thing for 2020, and I hope you guys have been enjoying my art pieces as well. Just a very casual, fun sit down check-in. I do have to drive tonight after I'm done teaching my client of the day, so I have a lot to do in the next 5 hours. I have to move the plants out, I have to water the collection, I have to pack up and make Ebby and I something to eat before I drive out. So today's plant friend shout out is going to Manuela, who watches both of the channels, and says here, hi, I love the gift Sonia got you. She even wrapped it in a cactus gift wrap. You have some great friends that care about you a lot. Oh, speaking of which, let me go ahead and grab the cookie jar so you guys can see it in person. Here it is. It is so cute. So you will see me open this up on the vlog channel. That is gonna wrap up another Thursday check-in. I'm so happy I was able to do this. I am now gonna pull myself together. I'm going to move the collection, water them, pack up my place, and get ready to drive tonight. So stay tuned. Next week Thursday's check-in will be coming from Las Vegas, but I'm happy I was able to sign in on a Thursday here in Santa Monica. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Subscribe for daily uploads between the main channel Monday to Thursday and the vlog channel Friday to Sunday. You get a video each and every day. Until next time, aloha from Santa Monica, California. Bye!